Hello, 5SC. I'm sorry I couldn't be with you today. So I just want to show you how to Dropbox an assignment um, after you've annotated it. So that means that you're actually gonna use the computer to write on it instead of a pencil or a pen. That's all that means. It's called annotation. All right, so we're gonna go onto Safari. You're gonna be on the 5SC page. Okay, here it is. We're going to click on login. I'm going to use Sophie's login just because I remember it. Oops, I forgot a letter. Okay. Alright, so you log in. You're going to click on My Classes, and you're going to find the lesson that is for homework or whatever. So here it is. It's called Nouns. So we're going to click on it to open it. We know it's a Dropbox lesson because it's got the little box next to it, the green and brown box. We're going to click on Nouns. Okay. Now it's going to open up, and it went up. It's here, and it actually is on the desktop too. Now it's in Adobe Reader. We don't want Adobe Reader, so we're actually just going to X out of this. I know it seems like an extra step. I've got two tabs open here. This one is blank, so I'm just going to get rid of it. Now I'm back in my account. I'm just going to minimize this. Don't X out of it. Don't log out. Leave it open, but minimize it. Click on the yellow. Okay, now here is that worksheet, nouns1.pdf. We don't want it to be a .pdf right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on it. That means you need to take 2 fingers and click, and then you get this menu, and you're going to say Get Info. So you're going to click on Get Info. When it opens up over here, it always opens up on the left over here. Right here where it says Open With, okay, you want to change this to Preview.app. Preview. I'm going to click on it. Okay, now there's nothing to save. You just X out of this. Then you go back and you're going to double click and open up your file. And there it is. And now you can see up here that it's open in Preview and not in Adobe. So we've got this toolbar up here. We're going to click on this one. Show Edit Toolbar on this pen on the end. We're going to click on that. Now the toolbar opens up and you've got all these tools. You've got square, circle, line, arrow, text, speech bubble, thought bubble, note, and making a signature. Then you've got your colors, you've got your lines, and you've got different fonts that you can choose. Just leave the fonts the default font. You don't have to get fancy. So we're going to click on the text right here with the 2 A's. See how it turned blue? And I've got the crosshairs. That means I can't type yet when you've got the plus sign. Okay, you're going to click and you've got your cursor, the blinking line. And now I'm going to put my name. Okay, and it's that easy. So now you've talked about nouns, or you will talk about nouns. So now, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. So my aunt works, write the nouns in each sentence. So they want you to write it on the line. My aunt works at Woods Hole as a scientist. So we need to find all the nouns. There's not just one, there's more than one. So we're going to click, and now we've got the crosshair, so we're not ready to type yet, and we can start over here. The best thing to do is start over to the left, right? We go from left to right. So you're going to click here. Now you've got the cursor as a blinking line. So aunt, okay, is a noun. You can press the space bar like 5 times, or a better thing to do would be to press tab. That gives you 5 spaces. Woods Hole, okay, and then I'm going to tab again, and scientist. All right, then I'm going to click over here. Now, oh my God, what happened to scientist? It's there. Click, and now you've got this box. So if your words disappear, just make the box longer. I'm going to grab it right. Come on. There we go. All right. So, and then this Aunt Jane has an understanding of the habits of whales. Now let's say that, I'm just going to click here. Again, it's the plus or the cross here. We want to click so that it's a blinking line. It's there. It's really light, but Aunt Jane. Okay, now what if the directions were to underline? Okay, so now here we're going to click on here. Now this one you might want to use a different color for, okay? So we'll just use red because it's there. Now you just click and drag underneath and you're done. That's it. Or what if it said circle? So now I'm going to click here, okay? And you kind of got to go above, whoops, click on the circle, make it blue. There we go. Now I got the crosshairs. There we go. And there, I'm just going to go around it like that. Okay. Now, if you don't do it right, you could Command Z and do it again, because if maybe if you get too close to the word on the top to start with, you won't get it right away. But even if you turn it in like this, your teacher's going to know you meant whales. Okay. So you'll get better at that as you go. So now I'm done. Okay, we got to move on. I'm going to press Command S or File, Save, right? And I can actually X out of this if I'm done. When I'm done with it, I'm going to go back here and I'm going to maximize my screen and I'm going to click Submit Your Homework. And I'm going to click Browse. And I'm going to make sure on the side I click on Desktop. Okay. And then I'm going to click on Nouns 1 and then I'm going to click Choose. And then you just click Submit. It's that easy. I'm not going to click Submit because I don't want to submit Sophie's assignment for her because she won't be able to resubmit. But that's it. So when you're done, you can log out. That's it. Watch this again if you're not sure what to do. All right. See you soon. Bye.